For a second, it looked like it said yacht.
No. I was gonna say just as screen is obstacle.
Copy, and I'm starting on the right RIC when you're ready to hear it. Standing by.
As we mentioned, the crew is
integrity. Comm check from the Peltor headset connected to seat 1 AIU.
Loud and clear, Victor. Tell me.
Ooh,
Happy the same. Thank you.
is that what it looks like outside?
this view coming live from Orion, now just 3 hours and 10 minutes since liftoff today from Kennedy Space Center. As you heard, Mission Control Houston is go for the crew to conduct the proximity operations demonstration. Again, we will see the separation of the interim cryogenic propulsion stage coming up first in just under 12 minutes. As we saw when we had video of the crew on board, Victor Glover is now moved to seat 1. He launched in seat 2. He has switched places with Reed Wiseman.
Victor Glover, I recognize the name. I think he's one of the astronauts.
And piloting this portion.
Reed Wiseman.
He'll be flying the vehicle, and he has let us know he's going to put the communication system on voice activation. So he's going to be speaking nearly continuously for the next approximately hour and a half so that the ground team can hear crew feedback on what it's like to fly Orion, how it's like the simulator here on Earth, and how it might be different. During the proximity operations demonstration, Glover will use the translational and rotational hand controllers to command Orion. First doing a translation control checkout and roll control checkout. He will get a read of Orion's roll, pitch, and yaw from this commanding.
Roll, pitch, and yaw.
Here calls about targets and degrees of width.
Those are funny words.
Orion and the interim cryogenic propulsion stage. So this crew is using other data like how big the upper stage looks outside of the window or through a camera. So the degrees that you're hearing call out are the width of the target on the screen that he is monitoring. That screen is going to be fed by the docking camera that was set up after launch. The target that he'll be reading initially is the entire ICPS itself. Will be about 100 meters or 300 feet away from the ICPS. Those degrees are going to be reported as greater on the screen because it's a larger target.
Checking.
Again, we'll start with the ICPS itself being that target. As we get closer, the target switches.
Introduction in progress.
As we get closer to the ICPS conducting these maneuvers, the target that they will be reading back switches to the docking targets that are on the interim cryogenic propulsion stage, as if we were going to fly in and dock. Of course, this is a practice, essentially, for our future Artemis missions in which we will be docking to a lunar lander. Once the initial checkouts are complete, the crew will get a go to move in toward that forward target on the ICPS. They're going to brake at 75 meters, and then at 30 meters.
Ooh, they're moving stuff.
Okay, Reed, for the right RHC, it looks like it was a single event.
They're moving stuff.
We are now setting all good channels. We did commit a fitter reset from the ground. We do have a quick checkout that you could perform if you see what you assign.
We're showing on range controller, REC pitch, channel 3, deflect.
And we expect that. For the checkout, we're going to confirm CSS is not selected, and then do a full deflection positive pitch, then negative pitch.
Power on, control stick steering is not selected, and you want a full negative pitch and a full positive pitch.
Affirm.
From C2, right REC, there's a full negative pitch.
Stay out.
Down 0, and here's a full positive.
Copy, we're following. Copy, that's a good checkout, and we'll do the reflection of the channel from the ground, and you are go for Orion 180 pitch ATP and cross stops STO after step.
The crew just did a couple of tests with their hand controllers that they'll be using to command the spacecraft. Again, we expect to hear quite a lot of communication from them during this time period, so I'm going to front load you with a lot of information of what you can expect to hear. So initially, again, that target that they will be monitoring is the ICPS.
Oh, okay.
And then as we move in closer, it becomes the docking target. The crew will fly all the way into 30 meters before
It was good.
they will break at 70.
Now I'm still up to stay up another hour of watching this.
I feel like there's no
Yeah. Oh, whatever. It's a placebo.
Attitude alignment and then move into the precision translation test.